Hello dear Sagittarians, welcome to my channel Karmic Sage. I request you all to please do like and subscribe my channel. Do share my videos also. Thank you so much for doing that. So Sagittarians, let's begin our reading for the month of December 2020, and I have your cards here which are saying me that you seems to be in some difficult situation at the workplace. Is that so? In your career you have the feeling of getting trapped because there is a card, devil card is here, which is directing devil card is here in your career side, and which is directing me that since past few weeks you seems to be quite quite not satisfied. You seems to be not satisfied with your work or with your job or with the business. Yeah, so this is where you're feeling that you're being trapped, that the things are not it's more like, you see, the things are not yeah, there is a strong feeling to me that no, this or something is not happening, not moving in your career, and you feel like, yeah, you're stuck up. The more you are trying, you're not able to give up that. You're not able to overcome this tough position in your career side, Sagittarius. This is a feeling what I have, and we have here Ten of Wands also. Ten of Wands, where I'm saying that you're carrying lot of this is again giving me no we have this Seven of Wands again. So these cards, let me tell you let me summarize about these cards. So these cards are no, actually telling me that you are going through some tough competition, or you are going through some tough situations in your on your career side, where where you really trying to take a stand. Yes, so this is the time exactly where you actually also have to take a stand, and but still the things are not moving because there is a devil in your on your career side here. So the things are not moving as per what you are thinking, or to the level, to the core that you are thinking about it, you are expecting it to happen. So these things are not moving, not just because you are lack the potential. It is more because of the environment. It is more because no, because the environment is like you is that you are not getting the same thing that what you are giving. You are no, the rewards are not equal here. So yes, this is just a phase of your life. And this Seven of Wands card is again telling us, yes, this is a phase of life and this shall pass. Okay, but for now what we are supposed to do is, here I'm seeing that you carrying that stress, you carrying that burden within you, with you, which is blocking your vision actually. See, I show you the card Ten of Wands card, which is no, clearly telling us that you yourself are blocking the vision of moving forward with so much with so much load, with so much disappointments actually, with the yeah, with so much burden of task, or you are multiple things and you want to do all these things, and now you feel that, yeah, everything is half done, and this vision is blocking you here because you have this is again from your side. This is again from where you have to remove this burden, remove this put this burden to a side, and only then no, this burden of disappointment, more or less what I'm saying. Yes, because the things are not working properly here, you are trapped in this situation, and you, the more you are trying to come out of it, you are not able to achieve it, you're not able to overcome the situation, which is actually very disappointing to you here. And so this is the time actually, you see, I would suggest, dear Sagittarians, not to, so this is the time, Sagittarians, not to no disappoint yourself, not to hold yourself. Don't let this thing happen to you. Don't let this disappointment block your vision. Don't let disappointment allow you to think that there is no cure to it. There is no, I am just ending up, I'm just going to end up like that. So don't let this happen to you. You just have to remove this disappointment. You just have to think beyond the things, actually the situation is demanding, like you have to put that extra force here. And only then when you take that big leap, okay, only then you will be able to release yourself from this devil's cage bondings. Yeah. So yes, I understand Sagittarians, this is quite a little tough. Oh, yeah, but I know you will be able to overcome this. You already carries lot of energy, and yes, you will be able to overcome this situation. Because okay, we have the energy card which is guiding us towards strategy. So here I think this is a time where you should plan, where you should make your short term plan and long term plan. Because as you already seeing that, experiencing that the things are not moving, things are not happening, and you feel you are getting stuck up here. So this is the time that you should make these plans. First start with your short term plans. So strategy is what is energy guiding you, that this is very important this month. So you will get an opportunity. This is the energy coming to you, so make good use of it. You will get an opportunity to form these strategies. Probably when the things are not happening, what we can do is just the planning, and just prepare ourselves. When the platform becomes positive, definitely you see, all we just have to do is our performance automatically will come, will appear in the front. Yeah. So this is what the strategy card is directing us this month. And coming to your emotional side, coming to your family side or relationship side, I would say we have the lovers card here. You are blessed with Archangel Raphael this month. Such a powerful energy coming your way for you this month, dear Sagittarians. Intimate relationships are possibility of happening. Those who are not in the relationship, yes, you will definitely be seeing someone this month, because we also have a two of water. So two cards are there, and we also have a strength card. So if I say on the emotional side, on the relationship side, there are possibility of you see the uh, things are going to get better. Get inner strength, release harsh judgments. Forgiveness and compassion is what the Ariel's energy is there. We have the Ariel energy, we have the Raphael energy this month. So these energies, these cards, these energies are directing us that you have to release yourself from the bondings. You That means you are just to be in a relationship, you're just holding it shouldn't be like that. So you have to release that bonding, because relationships are not just to hold ourselves, it is to evolve, right? So this is the card, this is the energy coming your way, which will allow you to release yourself from from the relationships which are not serving. Okay. And from the relationships again, the forgiveness card is there. And forgiveness and compassion. So it's more or less, with the person, not just with the person, with yourself also. So I am sensing that, yeah, it's not just the relationships which are going to you are going to benefit from the relationships this month, but again you will be able to establish really good relationship with yourself here. So Sagittarius, because it is demanding forgiveness, it is demanding compassion to the other person. If you are no if you are in such a relationship, then this is the time, you see, you have to forgive and you have to be compassionate. And this way you are actually building a strong relationship with yourself. uh, we have a lovers card, which is the Raphael card here, Raphael card, and which is no, giving me a strong feeling that yes, so this emotional healing is will happen for you because of these kind of actions. So that's actually a very wonderful thing, Sagittarius. Believe me, when the emotional healing happens, you will open yourself for everything. Actually, all relationships and all blessings. Yeah. So this is a wonderful energy coming your way, Archangel Raphael energy for you this month. We Yeah, and now we have your uh, angelic message, angelic guidance, you know, study progress. Wow. So, in sync with all the cards, the angels are here to say that we acknowledge you for the progress you have made in remembering love in your daily activities. We can clearly see the contribution you are making to the world through your thoughts, feelings, and actions of love. So, such a very on point message, no very decent message from the angels, which are saying that there is a progress, but this is a steady progress here. So you will see the growth, you will see the development slowly, not just in a in just one push, but yes, so your efforts are being will be rewarded slowly, not just in once. Okay, so here the angels are guiding us, telling us that you have to keep your contribution going, and this is all these things are will be taken care. Don't worry about the results, you just make your contribution, let go. Okay, let go yourself. So this these are very strong messages for you this month, dear Sagittarians. I really wish you good luck. I see you again in the next coming month. Till then, take care, good care of yourself. Bye bye.